Friends, welcome back in our another video lecture. So today we are going to talk about a plasmid vector, that is PBR 322. So it is a type of theoretical lecture. Okay, there is nothing what we can say, there is nothing methodical. You need to gather up all the information that I have provided here. Okay, so I will going to provide some mnemonics to make it easy to remember. Okay, so first of all, let's focus on the term PBR 322. Okay, so what we can say, this is a plasmid vector. Okay, and the B and R represents the name of their inventor. One is Bolivar and another one is Rodriguez. They invented plasmid vector PBR 322 in the year Bolivar in the year 1977. So PBR 322 has 4,361 Shakespeare. By watching the term 322, you can also find out that you have a base pair something like 361. That is quite similar. So the PBR 3000 PBR 32 has a base pair of 4361 base pair. So as I have told you that it is a plasmid vector, so it must have a origin of replication. Okay, so now let's move on the picture. If you remember the picture, then you can write everything about the PBR 322. So okay, so this is total of 4361 base pair. PBR, the name BRR suggests there the name of their scientists Bolivar and Rodriguez. So here are two antibiotic resistant gene, ampicillin and tetracycline. Okay, and on that ampicillin tetracycline resistant gene there will be two recognition site for PBU1, PST1, EcoR1, BAMH1, SALVIN1, SAL1 respectively. So for remembering this, you can consider that here you have two restriction site for CLAV1 and HIN3, and along with CLAV1 you have someone that will end up with 1, right, and again it is end up with 1 PST1. Okay, so CLAV1, PB1, PST1. Okay, and another easy way to remember that there will be something PBU1, then it will have also PBU2 that is present on the ROB gene. Okay, so we have two ampicillin resistant genes, tetracycline resistant gene, and on ampicillin resistant gene we have here our recognition site for PBU1, for PST1. Okay, and then in ROB gene we have our recognition site for PBU2, and in tetracycline resistant gene we have EcoR1, BAMH1 and SAL1. And here we have our origin of replication. Now if you have remembered that when we are talking about secondary selection, here there are also on the site or on the gene of antibiotic resistance, there were recognition site for restriction endonuclease, right? So this is something like that. Okay, so that is all about plasmid PBR 322. And one important thing is, what is the function of ROB gene here? ROB gene simply regulates the replication of plasmid to 20 copies per cell. Okay, that means in a particular cell only 20 copies of PBR 322 will be present due to the presence of that ROB gene. So that's all about PBR 322. Thank you.